Trust me, guys. This is good. This is good.
Hey guys, well, I see here again from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back. I am back. I'm back at Ms Pat in St. Elizabeth, the place that we did the famous mango tour. Remember? There's a link in the description below. Man, we're having some fun times. We actually started already. We're eating mangoes and we're enjoying ourselves the second time around. And I'm going to share some of that with you right now. Remember though, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. I do a lot of videos, stuff like these, capturing what I call the real Jamaica. And I don't want you to miss any of that. So, hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification. That way you'll see updated on all my latest videos. Watch this. World famous Holland bamboo, guys. Hey. We're going to have mango, guys. We're going to have a feast. Hey. Greetings and salutations. Ms Pat. Hello, hello, hello. Guys, Ms Pat, we're back at Ms Pat. Good to meet you again, Ms Pat. Good to meet you again. Patty. Chicken patty, man. So everybody. The kids, they will love it. Alright, so guys, we're back at Ms Pat for mangoes. And we are here as a group. That's my two sisters. That's Nika and that's Tanya. And that this lady is celebrating her birthday. She's having the time of her life. Her name is
AbaGail Atkins.
AbaGail Atkins. You'll see her more. She's a trainee nurse, so you'll see her. All right, this is lovely.
And this is another AbaGail.
All right, is the puppy happy to see us, guys? Happy to see you too. All right, so Abby, hi. How you doing? So these are our mangoes, Miss Pat?
Yeah, wow.
Wow, man. Love it, love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. All this is a robin, Miss Pat?
Yeah, robin, but those are the green ones.
Green ones.
Yeah, because you know, you can't have everything one time.
Yeah, yes. All right, guys, so we have mangoes. We have one bucket of mango here. Second bucket of mangoes. We'll get to that. We'll get to that. So where's CeeJay? Where's CeeJay?
CeeJay. Hello, kid.
Hey. We still can go down at the field, man. CeeJay. What's up, man? Hello, hello.
You know, something I look them for yesterday.
Yeah, man, that's something here. Blessed love, blessed love, blessed love. I respect that.
Just with the phone.
Yeah, man. We go down there and see if we find them fresh one. So we don't have to trouble them the one day. Alright guys, it's CeeJay the hero. He's the man who climbed the tree the last time. I don't know what him have in his sleeve today. But CeeJay, alright, good to have you, man, because it won't be the same without CeeJay. CeeJay went to school today. AbaGail, this is her first time here with us. Is Mr. Manuel's friend. And she's so excited about. Tell me about this mango, Abby.
Oh my god, guys, it's so juicy. I think it outdo East Indian mangoes.
I warned her, you know, because we stopped at our aunt and got fish and bami at border. And I told her, don't fill up the belly too much because we're gonna have mangoes. And she didn't want she didn't buy that. But now she realized that.
Trust me, guys. This is good. This is good.
She believed me now. She believed me now. Yeah. Hey, Spot. Hey, Spot. Hey.
Yes. Oh, so sweet.
Yeah, Spot, we're happy. Happy to see you too, Spot. Alright guys, so yes, we're back. That's Ms Pat again, and that's CeeJay, and this is AbaGail,
Yes.
Tanya, Nika, Uncle Tony. Alright. Alright, so this is the mango tree here. And we already, as we showed you earlier, there's bags of mango already, but we come here to get some fresh ones so we can enjoy the adventure. Alright, so let's see. So you have some of Ms Pat? Yeah man, what you have, man. Alright, so 3 nice ones here. 3 love, and this is what robin, right? Robin mango. Alright, so oops. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna this is robin.
Okay.
Just
that one first.
Alright, so don't worry about that one. Alright. Alright, so how we gonna do it now? So we have 60 seconds, so somebody going time. We're gonna give you some mangoes. So give me a bunch of them. Give me probably about 7 mango We're gonna have a little competition, guys. This lady claimed that she loves the mango so much.
Exactly.
Alright, so Nika will compete. So officially we're at the mango bush and we're gonna have a little mini competition. We have some new folks with us as I introduced you earlier. That's my sister and this is my friend. And they were excited to come here with us this time. That's Ms Pat, the judge in the background. We're gonna have a little competition. Each person will have 3 mangoes. They choose 3 mangoes, right? 3 mangoes. So they take 3 mangoes of their choice, and the first person to finish eat 3 mangoes wins the prize.
What is the prize? More mango?
The prize is, yeah, obviously more mango, but the honor of being the winner of eating the mango.
The mango competition.
Of the mango. All right, so let me count. All right, so Nika have 3 here. 1, 2, 3. All right. Abba, as in AbaGail, have 3 here. 1, 2, 3. There are no real rules except you must eat the mango. Eat the mango mean what? Eat off the mango, right?
Right.
Eat off the mango and
Just a seed alone.
the seed alone you throw it. There should be nothing on the seed. Fair?
Yes. Let's go. I'm ready.
All right. So go close. Go close.
No, social distance.
Social distance. But I need to capture you.
Oh, you can't see both of us.
Okay. All right. Let me see now. All right. So after 3, 1, 2. The timer. Tana, taking the timer. Tell me when you're ready. Ready? Ready? All right. So timer, guys. After 3, 1, 2, 3. Go. All right, and here goes Abba. Here goes Nika. Yes.
Nika trying to eat up the mango.
Yes,
Nika trying to finish it very fast. Everybody's trying to go to come with Nika. But I'm telling you something, we are a great competition here. Nika is going very fast. And Abba stopped laughing. Oh, I tell you something, my friend. If you want to taste this type of mango, you have to come to St. Elizabeth, a place called Hopeton.
Yes.
Oh, where you can find the best rabbit
one
mango.
down.
I'm telling you something, 1 is done and 2 to go.
All right.
And Nika is going, and Abba is trying to eat up the ground. Abba is going. I tell you something, my friend. This competition is very nice.
Intense.
Intense. I tell you something. You have a furlong to go.
Oh,
Nika is going. I tell you something. Abba is straight behind.
I'm straight there. But you can make sure you eat off everything. Make sure you eat off the
I tell
mango.
you something. Only the seed.
Only the seed.
Every skin out of the
Yeah,
house.
you need to show us the mango, the 3 mango when you finish. Hold them up so we can see this. Hold them up so we see the seed. Hold them up so we see the seed.
We need to see.
We need to see the seed. Oh, we need to see the seed. We need to see the seed. We need to see the seed. All right, so it was close. Give them a round of applause. Round of applause for them. Round of applause. All right, so who is the winner? Who is the winner? All right, hold on. We need to have a vote. I don't know who is the winner. You know. This one was close. Who is the winner, Ms Pat? Who is the judge?
No,
Ms
but
Pat?
you know what? You should have eaten up all the mango, you know. No, man. Which one? Just eat that, just seed alone.
So who?
Both of them win.
3. No, we can't have 2 winners. 1 winner.
All right. Okay. Hold on. So that is. All right, guys. You watching now? Please tell me who is the winner. So that's Nika. That's her 3 mango. This is Abba.
Turn around, this have some.
This is Abba. That's her 3.
All
right, guys. Who is the winner, Nika or Abba? Drop a comment below. All right. It's a close one. What kind of mango is it?
Robin.
So what you mean it's a fat mango?
No man, the seed is fat. That's why.
That's why you didn't finish it?
it's finished. Look, you see? It's finished.
Alright guys, thank you. Alright, both of you are winners. Both of you are winners. Give them a hand, give them a hand. Love it. Alright, it's time for us now, guys. We're gonna eat mangoes in the background. We're gonna enjoy ourselves. We just wanted to share a little fun with you. We're enjoying ourselves. We're in Hopeton, St. Elizabeth, Ms Pat's place. And we're enjoying, we're having the time of our life. Abba is her birthday. So we're gonna sing happy birthday to her mango walk style. After 3, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Abba. Happy birthday to you. May the mango field bless you. May the mango field bless you. May the mango field bless you. Happy birthday to you. Alright. Hooray! Alright, love it guys, love it. Alright guys, so we have a look. We have a bonus in addition to all this mango you're seeing here. Mango 1, mango 2, mango 3, 4, 5, 6. Mango what is already in the belly. Ms Pat is giving us peanuts. She's a proud peanut farmer as well. And so we have a healthy bag of peanut here. Freshly cleaned up and dried and cleaned up and ready for the market. So that's it. Fresh. More peanuts and more mango. Wow. My Pat, you're the nicest person, man, in this part of the hill.
For your friends and neighbors.
Yes, friends and neighbors. Alright. Guys, I'm sorry you're not able to share. Ms Pat will be happy to share mango with you here, but some of you won't be able to get it from so far. So, but we share the love still. How about you're going to have colic tonight, you know? Peanut and mango get colic. Alright guys, but thank you so much, Ms Pat. It's a pleasure. Alright guys, so that's it. Mango walk again up by Ms Pat. Hope you enjoyed. We're gonna be here eating some more mangoes before it's getting a little bit late. We're gonna stay on a little bit and have mangoes and enjoy the company. Remember though, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. I do a lot of videos showcasing what I call the real Jamaican. I don't want you to miss any of that. So hit the subscribe button, tap the bell notification. That way you stay updated on all my latest videos. I'd love to hear from you though. What do you think about this? Drop a comment down below. This is indeed real Jamaica. One more thing guys, I know it's getting a little bit late, but one more thing. The original mango video is in the description below. If you have not yet watched it, make sure you do. You'll see CeeJay climbing the tree, picking mangoes. You're gonna love it, I promise you. Alright, hi everybody, bye.